Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Minecraft tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to see coordinates in Minecraft. This is actually quite simple, and as always I show it for both the Java and the Bedrock edition. In the first step I open the Java edition, and to show coordinates here I have to press the shortcut F3. Now I can find my coordinates here. And now I will show you how it works with the Bedrock edition. In this version it's a bit different because the F3 key has no function here. To activate the coordinates we have to go to the menu, click on Settings, stay here in the Game tab and scroll down until we reach World Options, and here we find Show Coordinates. Now we can switch the slider on, go back into the game, and now we can find our coordinates up there. I also think this looks much better than in the Java edition, and it should be implemented there as well. But yes, that's everything for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.